Well, it's July 6, 2007. This is what our backyard of our new house looks like now. And you get a sense for the beginning of the new foundation. Off the back of the house, or where our master bedroom's going, there's the screened-in portion. This is the starting of the sport court. You want to see a deep hole. That is a very, 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 very deep hole. That's where the sport court is going. That is way down. That's where they're putting the underpinnings. The underpinnings, that's where they're putting them. That's a deep hole. This is what's left of our backyard. And the views that we have on this beautiful day in July. It's going to look a heck of a lot different when it's done. I hope. That is one deep hole where the sport court's going.